In a world where data drives every decision, Prospecta leads the way in enterprise data management. Featured as a niche player in the latest Gartner Magic Quadrant for Master Data Management, as well as chosen as a finalist for the SAP Global Supply Chain Management Partner Excellence Awards, Prospecta powers Fortune 500 companies globally across multiple industries. As enterprises accelerate SAP transformations, the cracks in master data are harder to ignore. Fragmented data, disconnected rules, and outdated governance. But what's the solution? Introducing MDO Fuse for SAP, the intelligent master data platform purpose-built for SAP environments, bringing together analytical MDM to explore and remediate data issues and operational MDM to govern data at the source. MDO serves as a true converged platform, designed to work across masters like material, assets, business partners, finance, and many more. The platform leverages pre-built accelerators that enable faster deployments at scale, all powered by Kai, the agentic AI layer of MDO, with 5 intelligent agents already rolled out: the request, enrich, help, steward, and insight agents. At its core, MDO runs on business rule framework, where rules don't just validate data, they shape it, guide it, and keep it aligned with how your business thinks. A powerhouse of capabilities: data quality assessment, AI, Excel-based bulk data management, automated workflows, API management, customized UI, comes together as one cohesive engine. When transformation calls, MDO leads the way, powering SAP S/4HANA migration with data that's clean, governed, and ready from day one. With the SAP BTP Integration Suite, CPI, Event Mesh, API Management, and Open Connectors, MDO bridges SAP S/4HANA, SAP, ECC, and non-SAP systems into one connected flow. Deploy it your way, on cloud or on-premise. What if you could actually see and trust the health of your data in real time? MDO Intelligent App for SAP Business Data Cloud delivers exactly that. A native app combining record-level insights, configurable quality rules, and intuitive SAC dashboards powered by SAP Joule. So every decision is driven by data you can trust, not guesswork. When data needs fixing, MDO's remediation capability does the heavy lifting. Automated survivorship, duplicate detection and merge, auto classification to UNSPSC, E-Class, and ISO 14224. And Kai's Enrich agent populates missing attributes automatically. The result? 90% straight-through remediation, 70% less manual cleansing effort. When it comes to managing change, MDO's governance capability brings clarity and control. Users submit requests in plain language, and Kai transforms them into validated, multi-object changes, backed by templates, approvals, and full auditability. No confusion, no back and forth, just clean data, done right. MDO Fuse for SAP, a converged, AI-driven data management platform with complete control of your enterprise data across every data domain. Trusted by customers, endorsed by partners. Book your demo today.